From public vaccination clinics to protecting uninsured women in our community from heart disease, the El Paso County Department of Health and Environment is on the job in ways you may not expect.
How you doing? I'm Bob. I can't shake hands. We can do this though.
I'm Kathy Nagley.
The Department of Health has a goal to inspect every commercial food establishment twice a year. In 2009, the department completed 3,573 inspections of local restaurants.
We want safe food handling so we don't have foodborne illnesses in a restaurant.
The department reviews sanitation, pest control, the employee sick policy, the storage and serving temperatures of food, and staff training.
All right, that's a good temperature.
Inspections are made without notice, and when a problem is found, the owner or manager is asked to fix it on the spot if possible. Follow-up inspections are scheduled to make sure any critical health violations are corrected.
We don't give them any warning at all because we want to see how they handle food on a daily basis.
The Department of Health also inspects all 375 child care center facilities in El Paso County.
1 month I can do 70 inspections, or 1 month I can do 10.
These inspections are done once every 2 years. The facility is able to schedule them in advance unless the department has received a complaint.
If I receive a complaint, I come unannounced.
Usually the child care inspection begins in the kitchen.
I will view food preparation and ask questions of the cook on how she prepares food, how she stores food, how she washes dishes.
It then moves into restrooms and classrooms.
I'll observe different sanitation practices such as diapering or cleaning of toys. I'll ask the teachers how often they're cleaning toys and what they're using.
If there is a problem, usually inspectors become educators.
Sometimes there's just a lack of knowledge on some of the things they're supposed to be doing, such as hand washing and when they're supposed to do it. And so if I run into that, I educate the child care provider, the teacher in the classroom on what they're supposed to be doing and how to do it.
Another way the Department of Health is working to improve the community well-being is through the Wise for Life clinic aimed at preventing heart disease in women 40 to 64 years old.
And 1 in 2 women in Colorado will die of a heart attack, and 1 in 27 will die of breast cancer.
Jeanette Harris joined the program a year ago after she was dropped from her insurance coverage.
It got to the point where I could not afford it any longer. I was just in a bind.
The clinic is a one-stop shop for women like Jeanette, giving them valuable knowledge for prevention, everything from taking their height and weight to mammograms and diet counseling.
Lower my cholesterol, lose some weight, which I've done all of that. She helped me in the diet control. I discovered I just needed to pay attention to portion control.
This program is paid for through a grant from the Centers for Disease Control, and so far 900 women in El Paso County have benefited.
Many of the women have not been to a doctor for years. One lady, it had been 12 years since she had a pap smear.
For information about these and many other programs and services offered by the El Paso County Department of Health and Environment, visit elpasocountyhealth.org.